Yeah, you're welcome to process control schematic design. Now, this particular design is for controlling of a process system, right? Let me walk you through the operation sequence of this particular design. Let's talk about this particular portion of the design. This is my power circuit, this area. And this other side is my control circuit. Now, supposing we have a factory where we process perhaps bottled water. So I will put up a design such as this to control the process of bottling the liquid, the product. Now, this is a filling machine and this is a corking machine. This one is a labeling machine and this is my sealing machine. The operation of this particular equipment depends on the control design of this particular portion. Now, for instance, in a conveying system, the bottle, the product that I'm going to produce will be conveyed along the conveyor system. So I will design this particular system in such that when this machine get detect a particular bottle, the bottle will stop and this machine will feed the bottle, it feed the liquid into the bottle. Then the process move again and come to this other machine. This machine will cork the bottle. Then the conveyor move again and move the product. When you get to this machine is my labeling machine to label the nameplate. The description of the products will be labeled or wrapped around the particular product I'm producing. So this is the particular machine responsible to label the description of the product on the body of the bottle. Then this one is the sealing machine to seal the product and move to warehouse. Now the process of this particular machine working one after the other in a sequential manner depends on this particular design called control system. So let me now see if we can simulate this control system to control these machines in a sequential order. So now take a look at this portion. This portion is responsible to control this particular machine. Then this other portion is also responsible to control this one. The same thing is applicable to this and this. So one of these other segment control this machine one, this one for machine two, this one for machine three, and the last portion is for machine four. So let's simulate. Then accordingly, this other indicator lamp will signal when each of these machine is in operation. So let's simulate and see. This is your start button. We start the operation. We start by pressing this button. Then this one, look at the machine turning up. After that, you give to this machine. After that, this one give to this other machine. Just in a sequential manner. At the last machine, the sequence will repeat again, coming back again. So that is sequential design, what I have for you. Then for the illumination, I think we have a problem here. Each of this particular indicator lamp supposed to illuminate when each of the machine comes up. So we have to make a change here. So we stop the simulation. This is K1, yes. Supposed to have K2 here instead of K1. This is K2. Then this one is supposed to be K3. All right. Then lastly, this is our K4. So each of this contactor, when each of them closes, the lamp, the auxiliary contact here will also close because this contact is an integral part to the contactor here. All right, so let's see now. I'm simulating the last. All right, put on the operation. Yes, one is up now. This one is up again. This one is up again. Then lastly, this one come up. Then the sequence will repeat again. After this last machine, the sequence operation will continue from the first machine. So this is how to design your sequential operation of a process. All right. After this time, before we stop the segment, we have 1 week control system course. So 1 week intensive training for this particular design. So here is my contact. If you are interested, you contact me via this contact, then we strike the deal. I'll tell you, I'll now enroll you among the interested participants that are waiting. Then we kick off when we are completed for the badge. All right. Thank you for watching. Then once more, this other machine can be changed. It can be any type of machine. Like I said, this is filling machine, cooking machine, labeling machine, and sealing machine. It can be any type of machine provided you are using them to produce a product. All right, thank you.